Hi, welcome back. And today we are going to see about the introduction to measuring instruments. So, why do we need measuring instruments in electrical system? Okay, think and you can hold, we will discuss. So, these are the basic electrical quantity, that is voltage, current, power and energy. So, these electrical quantity has to be measured. So this is the answer. Why do we need measuring instruments? So the instrument which is used to measure the electrical quantity of the current by using ammeter, voltage by using voltmeter, power by using wattmeter and energy by using energy meters. So the basic requirement of measuring instruments. So here the original circuit should not be altered either before adding or after removing the electrical instruments, and also the original quantity, the measurement of current or voltage or power energy, which should not be changed either after adding the instruments or removing the instruments. So also the measuring instrument should consume only the less power. So these are the basic quantity. The original circuit should not be altered. The quantity which is to be measured, it should be always same. It should not be affected. The power consumption also should be less. So the types of measuring instruments. So normally the measuring instrument can be classified into three categories. One is called indicating instruments, and second one is recording instruments, and third one is integrating instruments. So the indicating instruments, it is just like a clock. We are holding the clock. So it indicates. Now we can see what is the time. Now the time is 3 o'clock. So the pointer, it indicates the time is 3. Okay, it indicates the time is 3. Similarly, the meter needle, the pointer, it indicates the amount of current or voltage or power, etc. So it indicates the unknown magnitude like ammeter, voltmeter and wattmeter, and the recording instruments. So which gives a continuous record of electrical quantity. It continuously recording the data like XY plotter, ECG, etc. And in the integrating instruments, it measures the electrical quantity that is delivered over a period of time with respect to time. That is, for example, an energy meter. Okay, the energy meter belongs to an integrating instruments. So here this is the basic principle. Now you can look how the pointer is moving. So why do we need instruments operating to measure electrical and electronic quantity? Just you can note down the point, it indicates what is the value. So this is nothing but an indicating instruments. So for the operation of these indicating instruments, we are in need of three main torque, or it may be called as force. One is called deflecting torque, or it may be called as operating torque. And next one is controlling torque, or it may be called as restoring torque. And the third one is damping torque. So this may be called as torque, or it may be called as forces. These are the essential torque or force of an indicating instruments. So what is deflecting torque? Here the deflecting torque, which is used to move the pointer from 0 to some value. Now I want to measure the current. Now actually the current is 10 amps, but at the time of starting the ammeter indicate the value is 0. So while switching on, the ammeter should read as 10. So the pointer has to move from 0 to some value. So the movement of pointer from 0 to some value, that is called deflection force. Here the deflection force, which is operated by the current or voltage, that is depends on the either current or voltmeter. So which is used to deflect from the initial point. Deflecting, it will be deflecting with the pointer move from the initial position 0 position to this final position. And the controlling torque. Now the pointer which is moved from 0 and to which value we don't know. So it will be moving to the infinity. So in order to control the movement from the 0 to final value, so we have to use either gravity control or spring control to control the movement of needle pointer. Okay, so that can be provided by using the gravity control, or it may be and spring control. So which is used to hold at final position. And damping torque. So now the pointer is moving from 0 to some value, but the needle gets oscillating. So in order to reduce the oscillation, we have to provide the damping torque. So it can be provided by using the air damping, or it may be an eddy current damping. Okay, so this is an assessment which is used mainly for the deflecting torque. Makes the pointer moves from 0 position to the final position. And the second one, damping is used to reduce dash of pointer and also to reach the rest position of the pointer. So you can put the answer in the comment section. Okay, now you can guess what is the name of this instrument you seen in this picture. Okay, so the application which is used for the electric motor industry, electric lift industry, electric fan, television, educational institution and EV etc. And these are the few textbooks and references books for this topic. Thank you.